This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the dev console or mod support, so changes apply immediately. Open the game's user config file in Documents or the install directory. This is where the FOV lives. Once found, make a backup copy to restore if needed, and close the game to avoid overwrites. You do this because the game writes defaults on exit. Editing while it runs can lose changes. Now you're ready to edit the FOV entry directly in the config. You now change the numeric FOV entry inside the config or via console commands. Edit gently to avoid distortion. Try 80, then 90, then 100 to see the difference, because human comfort and HUD scaling vary between values. Once edited, save the file and either set it to read-only or prepare to issue the console command to apply the new value on launch. Make sure to keep one backup copy and note which value felt correct. You should launch the game and immediately verify the new FOV in the most common play view. Look for HUD clipping or aiming changes. If something looks wrong, return to the saved file and tweak in small steps until the balance between visibility and distortion feels right. If the value resets on exit, make the config file read-only or run the game as administrator so it cannot overwrite your edits. One troubleshooting tip: if changes vanish, ensure the game isn't syncing cloud saves that restore defaults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.